Good morning, or good afternoon, technically. Welcome back to the Sab Crazy YouTube channel, where we are cruising through some traffic on the 101, going into downtown. I think we're currently in what's known as Little Armenia, or we're entering that area off the 101. Let's see if this drifter's on her phone. She is all over the lane. Hey, put your phone down. Freaking bozo. Trying to figure out how to plug it in. Got no hands on the wheel. And trying to drive a car down the freeway. Geniuses. Welcome to Los Angeles, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sab Crazy, and don't do that. Be safe. Safety Sab Crazy. I'm out. See you on the next one.